Alright, so you're curious about how to get residency and eventually citizenship in South Africa? Let me break it down for you step by step. First off, South Africa actually offers a few different ways to become a resident. The most popular route, that's the critical skills visa. If you've got expertise in engineering, you can apply. If you've got expertise in IT, you can apply. If you've got expertise in medicine, you can apply. You can apply for this visa, and it's a pretty smooth process. Now, if you're not on the critical skills list, don't worry. There's also the business visa. If you're willing to invest at least 5 million rand, about 260,000 US dollars, in a South African business, you can qualify for temporary residency. And here's the cool part. After holding temporary residency for 5 years, you can apply for permanent residency. It's basically a waiting game, but if you follow the rules, you're in a good spot. Once you've got permanent residency, you just need to live in South Africa for 5 years. After that, you can apply for citizenship, but keep in mind you'll need to prove you've been physically present in the country for most of that time. The government will also check that you're of good character. And you'll need to pass a basic language test. English, Afrikaans. So, to sum it up, the critical skills visa gets you temporary residency, the business visa gets you temporary residency, 5 years gets you permanent residency, and another 5 years of living there gets you citizenship. It's not instant, but compared to a lot of countries, it's a pretty clear path. If you're serious about making South Africa your new home, start by checking the official visa requirements and get your paperwork in order. And remember, always double-check with a legal expert before you start packing your bags.